morning, I'm John Corr. I'm the CEO for I Do Business. And what I Do Business does for entrepreneurs across Canada, province, locally, is we bring together resources, we bring together individuals to stimulate the entrepreneurial spirit. And those individuals who may have thought of an idea, who have an interest in seeking out more information, or even individuals that are in business today, along with the organizations that help to support them. That's a big part of what we do, is bring them together and try to link them, and even follow up with entrepreneurial training opportunities. And we work a great deal with different levels of government, providing some of that information back to the government and letting them know what the individuals want, what they're looking for. So a big part of what we do is we go out there and we try to find out, what do you want, what do you need to succeed? So that's what I Do Business does on a local, provincial, and national level.